class. Hey, I am here with your introduction to math. This week's math topic is sorting things and describing things by attributes. And this is a really important skill to learn because the ability to compare things is something that you'll use not only in math but also in your literature that you're going to be reading, and the skill will follow you all the way through your educational career. Being able to compare how things are the same and how they're different, and being able to describe how you know that things are the same and the different is really, really, really important. And so this is going to kind of build a baseline for mathematical vocabulary. It's also going to build a baseline for how our math sheets look as things get more tricky and more difficult. And I'm also going to have not only things that are in your packet, but I'm also going to have an activity that's online that will be your weekly math assignment. You're going to be working on Google Slides to show me how you sort things. And so there's going to be an instructional video on how to use Google Slides, and there's going to be a link that has your name on it. So I just want you to click on your link and alter your Google slide. Do not click on anybody else's. So parents, make sure that your kiddo's only clicking on the link for their Google slide. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.